Nice to go, dear students. Today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is acid, bases and salt. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with me for a few more minutes. The chapter that we are going to discuss today is the acids, bases and salts. First one comes the acids. The word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. So it is the acidic substance or simply acids which give sour taste. Acids are of two types, organic acid and mineral acid. Organic acid. The acid which are found in plants and animals are called organic acid. Example, citric acid, malic acid, oxalic acid, lactic acid and ascorbic acid. Now, mineral acids. Acids prepared from the minerals of the earth and derived from inorganic compounds are called mineral acids. Example, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Now, next one is the properties of acids. Acids are sour to taste. Acids are corrosive in nature. Acids are soluble in water. Now, uses of some mineral acids. First one is the hydrochloric acid. It is used for clearing sanitary ware. It is used in the purification of common salt. Now, next one is the sulfuric acid. It is called the king of chemicals as it is an important industrial chemical. It is used in car batteries. Now, next one is the nitric acid. It is used to manufacture explosives. It is used by goldsmiths to clean gold and silver ornaments. Now, next one is the acetic acid. It is used in food to enhance the flavor of food. It is used as a cleaning agent to clean floors, utensils, etc. Now we have bases. The substances which are bitter in taste and have soapy to touch are known as bases. Bases can be strong or weak. Strong bases like caustic soda and potassium hydroxide are very corrosive in nature. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter to taste. Bases are soapy to touch. Bases may or may not be soluble in water. Now, next one is the uses of bases. First one, bases like calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide are used to neutralize soil. Next one, sodium hydroxide is used in the preparation of soap. Next, bases like magnesium hydroxide are used in antacids. Now, next one we have is the neutral substances. The substances that are neither acidic nor basic in nature are known as the neutral substances. Example, distilled water, sugar, glucose, urea. As you can see in this picture, these all are the neutral substances. Now, next we have to discuss are the indicators. Indicators are substances that are used to test the acidic and basic nature of substances, as they show a change in color on coming in contact with such substances. Mainly we have two types of indicators. Those are natural indicators and chemical indicators. Some indicators that are prepared from flowers, roots, stem and leaves are called natural indicator. These indicators can be prepared from the colored parts of the plant by boiling them in water for some time and straining them. Now, the indicators, those are prepared in the laboratory by using dyes and some other chemical compounds are called chemical indicators. Example, phenolphthalein. Now, next we have is the litmus. Litmus is the most common indicator used in the laboratory. It is extracted from lichens and is available in the form of strips of paper called litmus paper or in solution form. Litmus paper is either red or blue in color. In distilled water, it has no change in color. In acid, turn blue litmus to red. Bases turn red litmus to blue. Other than litmus, we have few more natural indicators like turmeric and China rose. Now, the last one comes the neutralization reaction. The reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water with the evolution of heat is called a neutralization reaction. For example, when hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium chloride and water, and small amount of heat is also evaluated. Now, uses of neutralization in daily life. We use in curing indigestion, cure ant and bee sting in soil treatment, treat factory wastes. First one we have is the indigestion. When we eat very spicy food, the stomach produces a large amount of hydrochloric acid, which leads to the acidity of stomach. This condition is called indigestion. In order to cure indigestion, we take bases called antacids such as milk of magnesia. Now, next one is the cure ant and bee sting. When ants and bees sting or bite a person, they inject formic acid into the skin of the person, which cause painful burning and swelling. The effect of the sting can be neutralized by rubbing a mild base like baking soda or calamine solution on the stung area of the skin. Now, after this, we have soil treatment. Plants grow well in neutral soil. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. So, for this, we use neutralization reaction. Now, the last one comes the treating factory wastes. The waste substances discharged by many factories contain acids. Factory wastes should be treated with basic substances to neutralize the acids present in wastewater before discharging them into the water bodies. I hope you understood the whole chapter really well. So, till then, wait for the next video and stay happy, stay safe.